Hello, eager young minds! Ngayon ay nasa week 5 na tayo ng ating second quarter, kung saan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about describing and giving the value of numbers expressed in exponential form. Okay, simulan natin. By definition, exponent is a number that gives the power to which the base is raised. Okay, siguro mas maiintindihan kung tingnan natin itong halimbawa na ito. I have here an example. 2 to the power of 3 or 2 exponent 3. Okay. So, ang tawag dito ay exponential notation. Itong form na to. Kung saan, meron siyang dalawang parts. Okay? Itong number na nasa baba at itong number na nasa taas. Itong number na nasa baba, that is called the base. Okay? So, yan. Base yan. Itong number naman na nasa taas, that is called the exponent. Okay? So, yon. So, itong base na to, ang ibig sabihin nito, kapag nakasulat na ganyan in exponential notation, itong base na to, ang imu-multiply mo ng 3 beses. Okay? Yun. So, elaborate natin mamaya. Okay. Again, this is called the exponential notation. So, 2 the base and then 3 the exponent. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na expanded form. Itong expanded form ay galing din lang dito sa ating exponential notation. Okay? Pwede mong i-expand kasi itong numbers na to, which is 2 to the power of 3. Sabi ko nga kanina, ang 2 that is the base, okay, ang imumultiply mo ng 3 beses. Depende kung ano yung nakalagay sa exponent. Since ang exponent ay 3, ibig sabihin, 3 times mo siya imumultiply. So, paano yon? Hindi yan 2 times 3 ha. Ibig sabihin, 3 times imumultiply ang 2. So, in expanded form, okay, you are going to write this one. Sabi ko nga, ang base ang ating imumultiply. So, lahat ng makikita mo sa expanded form ay base lahat. Wala kang makikita ng 3 dyan kasi ang 3 ay exponent. Okay? Lahat ng makikita sa expanded form ay base. So, ang base imumultiply natin ng 3 beses. So, that is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Ganun lang. Exponential notation, 2 to the power of 3. And expanded form, ang 2, which is the base, minultiply natin ng 3 beses. Okay, that is 2, 2, 2. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, 3 2 ang lumabas. That is called, ito naman ngayon ang expanded form. Okay? And of course, para makuha natin, ano ba talagang halaga niyan? Ano ba ang eksaktong value niyan? Kung hanapin natin ang value. To get the value, you have to multiply everything lang. Multiply, that is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then, of course, 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay? So, ganun lang. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So, the value of 2 to the power of 3 is just 8. Yan. So, 2 to the power of 3 in expanded form is 2 times 2 times 2. So, the value is 8. Ganun lang siya. Okay? Tingnan natin to. Write and evaluate the exponential notation of 4 times 4 times 4. So, ang binigay naman sa atin ngayon ay expanded form. Okay. Sulat natin ngayon ang kanyang exponential notation. So, katulad ng sinabi ko, sa exponential notation, okay, ito kasi expanded form. Sa expanded form, ang makikita mo lang dyan ay ang base lang. So, ibig sabihin, in exponential notation, the base is 4. Yun lang nakikita mo dito sa expanded form niya. Okay. Eh, sir, paano ko malalaman kung ano ang exponent? Bibilangin mo lang kung ilang beses nakasulat ang ating base. Since yan ay 3, 1, 2, 3 beses nakasulat, ibig sabihin, the exponential notation is 4 to the power of 3. Okay, again, 4 is the base. Yan lang ang makikita mo dyan. And then, bibilangin mo kung ilan siya. 1, 2, 3. That is the exponent. Okay? So, this is now the exponential notation. Sabi, evaluate daw. So, hanapin natin kung anong value nitong 4 to the power of 3 na yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, you just have to multiply everything. That is 4 times 4. Okay? That is 16. Okay? And then, 16 times 4. Okay? Of course, that is 64. Okay? So, the value of 4 times 4 times 4 or 4 to the power of 3 is equals to 64. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Sana nasundan. Okay. Example number 2. Evaluate the following exponential notation. So I have here example number 1, that is 6 to the power of 3. Again, this is the exponential notation. Ang gawin muna natin, isulat natin siya in expanded form. So 6 to the power of 3, the base is 6. Yan ang i-multiply natin. Ilang beses? Base sa exponent, 3. So that is 6 times 6 times 6. Okay? Ayun. 6 times 6 times 6 lang yan. Okay. So, multiply everything. That is 6 times 6. Okay? That is 36. And then 36 times 6. Okay? Of course, that is 216. Okay? So, 6 to the power of 3 in expanded form, that is 6 times 6 times 6. And the value is 216. Ganun lang siya. Okay. Letter B. 4 to the power of 6. Again, the base is 4 multiplied 6 times. So that is just 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Siguraduhin nyo lang na ang base, which is the 4, ay 6 na beses nakasulat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, multiply everything. Okay? That is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Okay? Ganun lang yan. So, the product should be 4,096. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Okay. Okay. Now, exponent is also useful with a base of 10. Okay. So, ito medyo mas madali ito. Okay. 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. Ibig sabihin, isang 10 lang yan. 10 to the power of 2 is just 10 times 10. Dalawang 10 lang yan. Okay? 10 to the power of 3 is just 10 times 10 times 10. Okay? Tatlong 10. Okay. So, the value of this is just 10. The value of this one, 10 to the power of 2, is 100. Okay? And the value of 10 to the power of 3 is 1,000. Okay. So, bakit ko sinabing madali ito? Kasi, kung makikita ninyo, may pattern lang siya. Kung anong number ang exponent, ganun din kadami ang zero niya. Okay? Take note, ito lang ay gagamitin sa base of 10. Kapag 10 ang base niya, walang problema. Titingnan mo lang ang value ng ating exponent, tapos ganun kadami ang zero niya sa value niya. So, 10 to the power of 1, isang 0 lang. 10 to the power of 2, exponent is 2, dalawang 0. 10 to the power of 3, exponent is 3, tatlong 0. So, ibig sabihin, 10 to the power of 4 is just 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power of 5 is just 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali kapag base of 10 tayo. Okay. Next. Learning task 1, evaluate the following. Okay. So, meron ditong exponential notations. Okay. That is negative 10 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 6, 3 to the power of 4. So, ang gawin natin sa mga yan, gawin natin expanded form, and then kuhanin natin kung ano ang values ng mga yan. Okay. Let's start with negative 10 to the power of 2. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, 10 ang ating base. Ang exponent ay 2, imumultiply natin ang negative 10 ng dalawang beses. That is just like this one. So, negative 10 multiplied by negative 10. Okay. Take note, kapag ang negative, minultiply mo sa negative, ang product yan ay magiging positive. So, 10 times 10, that is just 100. So, negative 10 to the power of 2 in expanded form is just like this one. Negative 10 times negative 10. And the value is 100. Okay, ganun lang. Number 2. 8 to the power of 6. Ibig sabihin, ang ating base ay... Okay, pasensya na sa aso. Again, ang ating base ay 8. Ang ating exponent ay 6. Okay? So, ang aso namin ay si Penny. Okay. 8 to the power of 6 in expanded form, that is... 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. Ibig sabihin, ang base, minultiply siya ng 6 na beses. Sorry. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 na 8 yan. So, if you're going to multiply everything, 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, the product of that one is 262,144. Okay, medyo may kalakihan kasi ang daming 8 ang minultiply natin. Okay, number 3. 3 to the power of 4, that is, ang base ay 3, ibig sabihin, ang 3 ang imumultiply natin ng 4 na beses. So, ang makikita lang natin dito sa expanded form ay lahat ay 3 lang. Okay? That is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na beses. Okay? If you're going to multiply everything, that is 3 times 3. Okay? That is 9. And then 9 times 3, that is 27. And then times 3, the product is 81. Okay. So, in expanded form, that is 3 times 3 times 3. And the value is 81. Okay. Ito naman, negative 2 to the power of 5. Ibig sabihin, ang negative 2, imumultiply natin ng 5 paulit-ulit. So, ang base, ang makikita lang natin sa ating expanded form. So, negative 2 lahat yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 negative 2 dahil ang exponent natin ay 5. Okay? So, if you're going to multiply everything, okay, multiply negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay. Sabi ko, negative times negative, positive yan. Times negative, naging negative uli siya. Times negative, naging positive. Times negative, negative ulit. So, the product is negative 32. Okay? Okay. Sa ating mga susunod na lesson, malalaman niyo kung paano nangyari yan. Yung mga negative na yan. Okay. Another one, and last one, this is 4 to the power of 10. Okay? Ibig sabihin, ang base natin ay 4, imumultiply natin siya ng 10 ulit. So, that is 4 times 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 4, 10 beses. Okay. Kadalasan dito nagkakamali ha, makinig kayo kasi usually ang pagkakamali dito kasi ang ginagawa nila, ang base minumultiply sa exponent. Ibig sabihin, ang ginagawa niyan, instead na base lang ang makikita mo sa ating expanded form, ang nilalagay nila 4 times 10. Okay? Ang nilalagay nila dito, 3 times 4. Yan ang kadalasang mistake yan. Okay? 8 times 6. Okay? That is a no-no. Sa expanded form, isang number lang ang makikita mo dyan. That is the base. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, balik ako dito sa ating number 5. So, if you're going to multiply everything, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 hanggang dulo, the product of that is 1,084,576. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Hindi ko na inelaborate kasi you just have to multiply everything lang naman. Okay? So, ganun lang. Kasi masyadong hahabang oras natin. Again, I only have a very limited time. Hanggang 15 minutes lang po ako. Okay? Kasi, yun lang ang allowed sa video na to. Okay? So, again, that's all for this lesson. Sana may natutunan kayo. Salamat muli sa inyo. And don't forget to subscribe.